Alright, so up next we have a problem about admission to museum. And so apparently the Indianapolis Children's Museum costs $5 more for adults than for children. So in this story we have admission to the museum for Mr. and Mrs. Johnson and their 5 children cost $59, and we want to know the cost of each ticket. So first thing we might say, well, let's let X be the child's ticket and Y be the adult ticket. But if you define them the opposite way, that's okay too. We're going to write our equations. So what we know, first equation, we'll go in order this time. The Indianapolis, so $5 more for an adult ticket than for a child. So we can say, therefore, our child ticket plus $5 is equal to the adult ticket. So there's our first one. Then we know that admission for the Johnson family, change that color, costs $59. Okay, so when you do a little thinking here, we have 5 children, so 5 children's tickets and 2 adult tickets is equal to $59. So there's our system of equations. And again, this one is set up so that because we already have one of our variables solved for, that means substitution is a good idea, is a good option. But does it matter if you do substitution or elimination? No, it's really a personal preference. So we're going to take our y here and we're going to substitute it in. So we've got 2y, and instead of y we're putting in x plus 5. And we're going to solve the second equation. All right, so we've got 5x plus 2x plus 10 equals 59. So we've got 7x equals 49. So x equals 7. So that is our children's ticket. And these should have units on it, right? And then we can go back and say, well, $5 more than that is our adult ticket, so that's going to be $12. And we have our problem solved.